Joining us is the Speaker of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly, Mr. Satish Mahana. Sir, welcome to Sunset TV and thank you so much for joining us. Pleasure having you in the 10th CPA conference. Tell us about your expectations, and of course, it is a very, very important platform where there is important exchange of ideas between legislatures.
I think that in democratic setups, especially in our constitution, legislation has main role to play. In the last few decades, what has been noticed is legislation has been put on the last one. Most of the times when we talk about the democratic institutions, whether it is judiciary, whether it is executive or legislature, everybody wants to supersede each other. That is not right. Constitution has been framed. Every person, every institution have their own limits also. Everybody, including legislation and other constitutional agencies also, they have that. So what I want, that legislation must be strong enough. Legislator must have the authority for the development of the people of their constituency, of the city, of the state also. So this is a very important topic. And most of the times what I have discussed today with Honorable Speaker in my meeting also, people do not know what legislation is. There is a disconnect between the common man and legislation. Not only common man, people, those who say that are literate people and they are well qualified also. If you ask something about legislation, they don't know what legislation is. So this disconnect must turn into a strong bond of relationship. Until and unless the people go up, I take it another way. When people say that the people, those who are sitting in these big houses, whether it is parliament or assemblies or other local bodies also, people say that they don't know anything. So it reflects to the majority of the people of India, those who are voting for them. In that sense, we have to take it very seriously. No, now the people of the country, they are very vigilant. They know what to do at what time. You cannot make fool of them now. It must be 40, 50 years back when one person said something, people used to follow it up. Now everybody is aware. Everybody is aware. So now that cannot happen. So the image of the legislators must change now. I was discussing in this meeting, there were few of the MLAs, those who have been named for the women assaults.
Yes.
The cases are against them. There may be some good or bad people. It is everywhere in the family, in the system, in the society, everywhere some good people are. But what has started now, that some of the agencies, they have started tarnishing the image of the institutions. I objected to it. People may be good or bad, but institutions as a whole cannot be held responsible for it. For example, if some media persons are there, one person does wrong, which is not legally correct, so we cannot put all of the media into it.
That's right.
So I'm very much concerned about it, and today I raised the topic, and most of the speakers, they agreed with me, and Honorable Speaker, Lok Sabha, and Honorable Vice Chairman of the Rajya Sabha also. I said that this has to be taken at every level, at every forum.
That's right.
So the perception, until and unless the people, those are making laws, those are ruling, you can say that, as per the constitution, they are not rulers.
Yes.
The constitution has provided them to represent the people, they are public representatives. If people don't think that their image is good, so they cannot expect something from that. If that will turn into a positive sense, then only the legislators also can do something good, and there must be a strong connect between common man and the legislator and legislation also.
Makes sense. Thank you so much for talking to us.